Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it out, swear. Whoa, living on a prayer. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it may be for you. My name is Tom.
My name
is Niall from Jamescape TV, and you're watching day 3 of Dartmoor. So day 3 is it's going to be an interesting one. We've only got 15k, right?
Don't say the word.
What word?
The word, the M word.
The M word?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got to go through 15 kilometres of straight fog.
M-R-A-S-H.
Marsh. And yeah, shoes are going to be ruined, lives are going to be ruined.
It's going to knock the stuffing out of us.
It's only 15k really.
Only 15.
Also, we can't see a thing except for Niall and his beautiful face. Then we've got Hannah and Beth, loving life, kind of.
Life in love.
Life and love. Let's go.
Okay, so
what's happened, Tom?
So we walked up about 250 metres. Purely, we're going back the same way, right? Purely so we can do the stone cross for our project. And this is the stone cross. Do you see that? There's nothing there.
hi guys, it's me. Surprise, surprise. I have a rock here that I'm going to put on this cairn on behalf of everyone at Jamescape.
Can you imagine if mine just popped up now?
Hello!
Hello, Goldies.
Good job, Hannah. Where's Tom gone? Apparently over here is a sheer drop, like a cliff kind of ting. To be fair, it is getting pretty steep, but I want to go over there. We'll go a little bit further. Oh, I can't really see them anymore. Oops. Okay, coming! Guys! Ah! Oh, that was funny. James, you can time lapse this, right? So you can't hear me speaking. Yeah. We're going to be at home, all nice and cosy right now, reminiscing of the horrible time we had here.
Hello, me again. I'm in this a lot. I know. I'm sorry if I'm like spotty or stuff. Nice. So. No, because I can do what I want.
No, because
I was just gonna say, don't do gold ever. Please.
No, gold is great. I support AU. I'll also point out I'm also your manager. And
Don't do gold.
If you read our key themes,
I want to say something. The only reason you do gold is to wash in a river.
Is you gay?
still day 3, we're still walking. If anything, the fog's got slightly worse, visibility is minimal, but we're using our navigation skills to stay on track.
Yeah, so we're going like, we started here, this is all just nothing. We are going across the English version of the Sahara Desert.
Except there's no desert.
Except no desert and the sheep.
So yeah, this is, and horses.
Hi Thea.
So yeah, we're here on Dartmoor, day 3, ploughing on, trying not to get lost, and I would say enjoying the views, but there aren't really any views to enjoy. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
We've got a stone cross, we've got a stone cross.
We've got a stone cross, woo! Actually, no, I won't, because it's time for a bit of project work, because here we have found a stone cross. And as you will probably know by now, stone crosses are the project of our expedition.
I've got an explorer, I have found this.
It might just be a boundary stone, hold on.
We're going to call it a stone cross.
Oh look, there's something engraved into it.
Yeah, it can still be a boundary stone.
Oh, it's not a stone cross.
Well, guys, look, representation.
We should write it down anyway. But yeah, that's what's going down in Dartmoor. See you guys in a bit. Hello, we're here at another project site. We are at the Little Links Tour. The only issue being we can't find the cross that we are looking to find. Yeah, but it's all quite pretty here. It was one hell of a climb up. It's a bit chilly, so I'm hoping to get a move on soon. Yeah, in other news, I found my sunglasses. That's all happening at the moment here in Dartmoor on our expedition. Dartmoor training areas. You are approaching a military firing range for which there are bylaws restricting your right of access. When the red flag or light is displayed in the high ground to your front, do not cross the line of red and white poles. Do not touch any military debris, as it may explode and kill you.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
We're so screwed.
Woo! It's basically bog. Tom, what's happened?
What's happened? So we're walking along, right? And, you know, a nice mountain view, and then it goes and blooming disappears on us, which isn't very helpful. So, yay. That one there. It's not that one there!
Niall, what are you doing?
Jumping.
We're out!
Of what?
The danger zone!
How long have we been walking in the danger zone?
For too long!
Yes, I agree!
That's the big forest. There's like
For Brian!
And for Martin!
Next time on Jamescape TV does Dartmoor.